when you have to be a highly demanding job. It's highly demanding on your temperament, physically, emotionally, mentally. It is too much for anybody to expect you to be at your sort of the best in terms of communication, in terms of your temperament. It's very unrealistic because there are so many more than good news, bad news keep coming into your ear, but now this is not happening. You're not getting these dates. That equipment is stuck, or the rain is, the set is flooded, this is dripping. Like every time you're like, so you can have like a small group of punching bags, which are like sitting here, Aditya, like, like my direction team. You can make a like small group of punching bag. So you can go like sort of, remove your frustration, punch, 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 punch. And then you turn to Shreya, sir, gee, sir, what was your question? And then the same goes for, so, sir, would you try another take? And then you turn and you again can, so obviously there are people who are there to help you. Of course, my direction department. And they were also, you also need a family member, there, because the finances and the things of, where you can trust somebody with all of that. And then regular visits from my sister. You also need to gossip. Now, how do you do that? So you have a mix of everything going, and you just kind of make yourself get through it. You can't expect to just plan it, because it's a location is going to be different every time. The scene is going to be different. Season is different. Actor is different. How are you going to plan a job where nothing is fixed? Hours are different.
Like I said, of course, I did my own bit of research about him, and and it's not a biography on Atalji. It is a period that we're showing on Emergency and about Indira Ji. So I trusted my director more on that, because what the vision that she has, उनको क्या दिखाना है, उनको अटल जी का कौन सा पोर्शन दिखाना है, कौन से एज ग्रुप के अटल जी है, उस वक्त वो कैसे थे, कितने डायनामिक थे, क्या क्या करते थे, वो उनके दिमाग में जो विजन है, दैट वाज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी दैन मी गोइंग विथ समथिंग दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न कि नहीं अटल जी तो ऐसे ही थे. बिकॉज 75 में एक्चुअली 3 इम्पॉर्टेंट घटनाएं हुई. एक तो इमरजेंसी, एक शोले, और तीसरा श्रेयस तलपदे का जन्म. ओके, सो शोले हम जानते हैं, श्रेयस तलपदे को कुछ लोग जानते हैं, लेकिन इमरजेंसी के बारे में ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जानते. वो ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचना ज़रूरी है. और उस दौरान क्या सिचुएशन थी, उस दौरान जो लीडर्स थे उनका क्या रवैया था, वो I guess I trusted my director more in that respect, and I just went with her conviction and her vision than anything else. So I didn't really meet anyone. I did my part, I studied it, and then I went with her conviction. That's it.
For me, the highlight of Emergency to direct it, honestly. I was just done acting, I was not interested in acting anymore, because I had done just way too many films. And at least I felt that way, that I have to do something else. So the highlight of it for me is to direct. And like Shreyaji said that for me, I did not have any special love for Indira Ji's character. I had the same amount of love for JP Ji's character, or Atal Ji, or Pupul, or Milind Soman Ji's character. So I love that. I love the part of me who loves to make movies and telling a story. So I fail to see her in a special light, to be honest. That when you ask me about her, especially when we do a film, like now we talk about Thalaivi, like only Thalaivi stands out for me. And I don't know any other journey, even though, Raj Arjun, so there were so many great characters, but वही मेरे लिए उठ के आते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा उसी पे ही focus किया ना. I was just an actor. But when you talk about Emergency film stands out for me, and I forget what was my process for the actress and all of that. Whole film stands out for me, and I love the whole film. I love every character, and I love every frame of the film. So I don't know how to answer this question. I would love to produce and direct a film on all 3 Khans. And I would also love to, show the talented side of theirs, where they can act and they can also look good, and they can also, do something which is very significant to the society. I would love to make a film like that, because I think they are very talented. And also, what they're doing, of course, they're adding a lot of revenue to the industry, and we should be eternally grateful to them. And also, they are engaging with a mass of people who, who need that kind of engagement. But also, I think there is a very artistic sides to all three of them, which has not been explored other than just in few films, and I would love to explore that with so many actors. And one actor I would always regret not being able to direct is Irfan Khan Saab. He is one of my favorite Khans, and I would always miss him.
दुनिया में आपकी ज़िंदगी में 3-4 लोग या 5-6 लोग ही होने चाहिए जो आपको अंडरस्टैंड करें, बाकी जाए भाड़ में. Anybody who tries to please everybody and anybody who tries to be favorite of everybody is fake. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. आप एक दुनिया का एक आदमी बता दीजिए, लीडर बता दीजिए, भगवान बता दीजिए, ये बता दीजिए जो जिसको सब पसंद करते हैं. ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं जिसको सब पसंद करते हैं. आप कितना दूसरों पर डिपेंड करते हैं कि सब मेरी तारीफ करें, सब मुझे अच्छा पसंद करें. ये जितनी जल्दी आपको जीवन में और खासकर हमारे प्रोफेशन में समझ आ जाए उतना अच्छा रहता है. मैंने कंगना के साथ पहले काम कर लिया था सतीश की शूटिंग से पहले. तो एक्टर्स में आदत होती है पूछने की कैसी है तो कैसा काम करती हैं. पहली बात तो लेट मी टेल यू वन सीक्रेट. All the actors who know a little job of their actors of an actor, वो पहले दिन डिसाइड कर लेते हैं इस डायरेक्टर की सुननी है कि नहीं सुननी है. पहले शॉट से डिसाइड हो जाता है. तो वो कितने भी कोई भी हो तो इनका डिसाइड हो गया था कि इनकी सुननी है. तो सतीश का काम जब आया, जब सतीश जी ने रोल किया तो मेरे को शाम को फ़ोन करके उसने बोला कमाल की डायरेक्टर है यार, कमाल की डायरेक्टर. हम नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा से हैं, हम इतनी फिल्में कर चुके हैं, लेकिन शी इज़ माइंड ब्लोइंग एंड ही वॉज रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बी here today, but thank you for observing a 1 minute
silence. And he himself is such a successful director.
Yeah.
और मेरे सेट में से, मेरे पूरे सेट पर से इतने शौक से, इतने प्यार से खुद को अपने आप पे स्क्रीन पे कोई नहीं देखता था जितना सतीश जी देखते थे. जब वो अपना शॉट देखते थे, है मेरा शॉट प्ले करो यार, प्ले करो, और इतना खुश होके देखते थे. उनकी आंखों में जो ग्लिटर होता था अपना शॉट देख के, मैं कहती थी वाह कि मतलब कोई इंसान खुद से इतना प्यार कैसे कर सकता है. लिटरली
नहीं, उसके पीछे एक और कारण था. वो देखता था कि अनुपम ने कहीं मुझसे ज्यादा अच्छा तो नहीं किया है. बट थैंक यू, एंड थैंक यू फॉर रिमेम्बरिंग प्रदीप बांदेकर. A wonderful face among the crowd. Sometimes we see photographers in a crowd of 20-50 people, but you must remember that actors remember them as individuals. So you are not a face in the crowd. You are an individual who is a brother of somebody, who is a husband of somebody, who is a son of somebody, who is a father of somebody. So I do feel on behalf of the team of Emergency that we miss Pradeep whenever I see him.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें. अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें.